Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is solving this quadratic equation. It's set up kind of strange, so maybe you can, maybe there's a different way you can solve it besides using the quadratic formula or factoring. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own. Alright, what you want to do here is you want to use the square root property. The square root property is simply this. I just need to grab my eraser. Is simply this. If I have x squared equals 25, I can then square root both sides. When I square root both sides, I get the following. I get x. This right here is the absolute value of x equals 5. Right? The square root of 25 is 5. And then this x right here, if you want to take it out of the absolute values, you get this equals plus or minus 5. So that's a positive 5, negative 5, right? It's either or. And so what we're going to be doing here is using this property to solve this problem. It will make things a lot easier and a lot faster. You see this whole side's being squared, and you have 16 here. So what you can do is use the square root property, square root both sides. Now normally you go from the first step to the last step, so let's do that. So you have x minus 2 equals plus or minus, and the square root of 16 is 4. So you have plus or minus 4. You're solving for x, so you want to add 2 to both sides. You always want to do the opposite. So that cancels. You're left with x equals 2 plus or minus 4. Now you're going to get two solutions there, right? Because the plus or minus. So it's going to be 2 plus 4. And what's 2 plus 4? Right, that is 6. And what it's 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 gives you a negative 2. Now, you have both of these here. Now, since you're squaring, it doesn't matter. If it was a square root where there's restrictions, then you have to double check. Here, it works in both cases. All right? So your answers are 6 and negative 2. And that's it.